Hello guys, welcome to Alex Robotics. In this video I'll show you how to create this awesome stamp kit. We'll model all of these parts, then we'll print them and put them together. So buckle up and let's get started. When all the parts are printed, look how many it is. We have some car panel and we have some bolts, we have large bolts, and also we have some nuts, and we have some wheels. How cool they are. Yeah, and we have a wrench, Alex Robotics, and here we have some connectors. Here we are, and some wheels too, and this all of our parts. And now get buckled and we'll start. First thing we need is to attach the wheel. Here it is. Now we take a bolt and a nut, and so here what we have: a wheel, and now some other wheel we take, and the bolt, the larger one, and now another knot, and here it is. I almost lost that bolt. It's very bad. Here it is. Now another panel, and now some wheels. Okay, now get bolt and nut. So like this. Here it is. Almost done with this one. Oh yeah. And now another wheel, the last one, and now we got a bolt, the last bolt, and so here a knot, and we make the wheels. Now take one side panel, and now take a bolt and a connector and a knot, and so we have it almost connect. Look how it's cool, isn't it? I'm making here it is. Now another bolt not connected. Now put the bolt in a cob, and now here what we have. Oh, I lose it. Ooh. Ow. Okay, now another connector, and we'll make another side panel up. So here what we have, and here it is. Now another side panel. Oh yeah. I can have 4 more bolts to make it stabilized, and some nuts too, and make it working faster. So this is almost done. First connector is done. The next one. It's not so good. Still, to right. Oh, I think the wrench. We need the wrench. Yes. Now the last one for the third connector. Now more connectors, more. Okay, here we got it. It's right hood. Can you see me? And now here it is, the knot. That's good, just good. and down. So we go into the end. Okay. Now we're connected. Here it is. Oh, we're almost on the end. Okay, here it is. So yeah, it is not. Yeah, that's alive. And now we take it. Now I'm connected and the boat not still we're watching on this go call. I love it very much. Here. I'll just tighten the wheels a little bit now. Another connector. I have all the parts, and here we go. Connecting connectors. Okay. Here it is. And connecting connectors. Almost at the end of it's finished. Gonna be finished. But it's not still dead. Here it is and go. Here and now almost here. Here it is now. The wrench. Okay, just take call over. I almost it was the wrench the wheel. Okay. Now, good, here's our car. Look at this. Shiny car. And bye guys, see you next time.